read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Natwi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to learn number 8. First of all, we will count. After that, trace it. So, let's start. Count the quills with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 7 and 8. 8 quills twist and roll in the wind. 8 quills twist and roll in the wind. Twist your body and then roll around in place. Okay, how to trace it? Now start from the dot, make a cap, come slant down, go back and stop. It will make number 8. It will make number 8. In other words, you could say, start from the dot, make a circle, make another circle. It will make number 8. Okay, now I will place some things over here on the table and you will count them. Okay, these are some crayon colors. You will count with me. Let's start. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 crayon colors. Okay, now firstly count how many notebooks are there in your bag and tell me. Let's start. 8 notebooks. Now we will count the fingers. Let's start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very good. 8 fingers on my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Very good. So, today we have learned number 8. We counted them and traced number 8. Very good. 8 quills for drawing art. Each one plays a special part. Colors bright and tips so fine. 8 quills help you draw a line. 8 quills help you draw a line. I hope so. You enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.